y'all, so we picked up Waffle House and I got the all-star special. I got peanut butter waffles and scrambled eggs, obviously no cheese, bacon, hash browns with onions, and raisin toast. I typically don't eat toast, but I was feeling some raisin toast this morning, and obviously condiments. Always gotta have some food. We are on our way to Asheville, so taking a little road trip for the weekend. All right, so we are headed to Asheville, but we're gonna stop by Chimney Rock first to hike. Hopefully I'm focusing. I'm trying out this new feature called the cinematic feature, so hopefully I'm focused. And yeah, but anyways, so we're on our way there. It's kind of foggy right now. It's supposed to be raining this weekend, but we'll see. Just a quick weekend trip, road trip to Asheville. So we're excited. Hopefully the leaves are still there, because that's our main purpose of going, is to see the leaves and do some exploring. So yeah.
You don't gotta call again. I know you're out with your friends, and that's fine. But you could be here tonight. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I spend my nights in my room with the lights so low. We can't drive 'cause we're feeling the night. If you stay by my side, just make it alright.
Alright, yeah, so we've reached our first destination. We are here at Chimney Rock, I believe. And it's so pretty. Good thing the leaves are still intact. And it's drizzling a little bit, but not too bad. Not too bad. The weather is alright, not too cold. So yeah, I guess we gotta hike up to the top to see the nice, beautiful view. I got my hiking shoes on and water for hydration if my camera will focus. So I guess the thing about this cinematic filter, so the thing about the cinematic filter is I'd be like losing focus. So yeah, you gotta constantly click, I guess, for it to focus or whatnot. But oh my god, the leaves are so beautiful. The weather's a little bit chilly now. I should probably wear a hoodie, but I think I should be fine, hopefully. So I gotta make a pit stop to the bathroom, because y'all girl gotta use the bathroom. Wow, I'm out of breath already, y'all. Look at the leaves, the trees. Look, it's raining leaves. So I guess we gotta walk up the stairs to get there. So this is, I guess, the souvenir shop. Look, I guess we all have the same vision, same plan. Look at this, y'all. Look how cute this is. Look at this beautiful view. So here's the start, and we gotta go all the way up there. And then there's a cave, a bat cave, I guess. So let's start.
I just want wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights.
Alright, y'all. This is it, right? Yeah, exactly. We made it. This is it. And I'm tired as fuck. We did. Thank God for this. I'm sweating. It's so foggy that we couldn't really see the view, but
we're not done yet. We're not done yet.
It says no guests beyond that point.
Just kidding. We're not done yet.
Gotcha.
That was a prank. Only 2 drinks before dinner. Now we're in the trenches. Because before it was stairs, now we in the woods. Look at this. Now we really hiking. Uh-oh. It's raining. Whew. Can y'all tell my breath? But it's a good start to the weekend, right?
Yeah. I need
a little morning workout or afternoon workout before we let loose and have fun. So it's only us here in the trenches. Are we going the right way? Uh-oh, it's pouring, it's raining. The old man is snoring. I thought I saw something move up there. Oh my gosh. It's pouring. Shelter? Take shelter? Should we take shelter? Leon, I'm gonna have to hide with you under that umbrella.
Well, you probably should go.
Gotta take shelter. Wait, Leona, I'm about to go under. Oh, Leona, I need to go under with you.
Come.
Gotta take shelter. All right, so we've reached our destination at the top, where the waterfall is. And it's starting to pour again. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's the waterfall.
With you where we don't sleep, I can't keep my cool. Got me hotter than the stove be. Acting like a fool, not a tool, so don't.
Alright, y'all, so we are walking the streets of downtown Asheville.
Wait a minute, oh, they in the crew. I think it's probably like 6 of you. I see a lot of love, yo, that's beautiful. Hey, yo, I like the...
So I got pineapple ginger beer, and it's pretty refreshing. How's your chai?
It's very strong.
This is the
Heavy on the whiskey.
lei chai. Alright, so we got appetizers, so we got samosas, lollipop lamb, and lollipop chicken. Can't wait to try it. What is this called again?
Biryani. It's lamb biryani.
Lamb biryani. This is the bullet naan. This is garlic naan. I got something lamb. I don't remember. No, I got start with the R. Yeah. Rice, chicken.
Honey? Butter.
Butter chicken. And then vindaloo chicken.
Should have wrote down all the names before you know.
Would you get any? I don't even know. Something paneer.
Paneer
Chicken, but honey. And your sauces. we just got done eating. Now we're walking to a cookie place, then back to the car, then back to the crib because we are exhausted from the hike this morning and we're super full, so we have the itis right now. But yeah, it's popping tonight. Hopefully you guys can see me. There's not a lot of lights around here. Alright, so we're at this cider place. It's so cute in here. Look. Alright, so we got a flight of cider. And so this one is watermelon mint, pineapple, lemon elderflower, and journeyman.
Spend nights with you on the low key, even though I act cool. Lately I've been lonely, trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't.
Alright, y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is,
I don't know none of the names.
what is that? Something peanut butter. That's cornbread. That's chocolate chip. No, this is chocolate chip. That's something. But anyways, that looks so good, so fresh. All right, y'all, so it's the next day and we are at Cotton Mill Studios. Look how cute this place is. It kind of gives me like a hippie vibe. So yeah, the weather is so nice. It rained earlier, which is why I had a headache earlier. Typically when it rains, I get a crazy headache, so that's how I know it's about to rain, or it rained, or it's going to rain. So yeah, but good thing it rained earlier, so now it's sunny and the weather is pretty nice. So we get to kind of do some outdoorsy stuff. Because yesterday we were out in the trenches when it was raining and we were soaked. But today the weather is beautiful. And it isn't too cold, so I'm actually kind of hot right now wearing this long sleeve. But yeah, I'm grateful that it's a nice weather today, so we could do some exploring before we head back. And it's like a 3-hour drive to Asheville, so it's not too far or too bad. A good trip for the weekend. It's like a little food truck. They sell like Cuban stuff, but we had breakfast at the hotel earlier, so yeah. Well, this is probably like my first, well not first, but like a few times where I've actually woken up pretty early to have hotel breakfast, because that's a rare occasion where I wake up that early to have hotel breakfast. I typically wake up like after when the hotel breakfast is over, but this time I actually woke up early enough. So yeah, and that's rare, y'all. So leave down a comment section if you guys typically wake up early enough to eat breakfast at the hotel, because I know they always have from like 6 to 9, 6 to 10 and whatnot, and that's so early. So y'all know me or don't know me, I'm not a morning person at all. I like to sleep in. I function around afternoon to nighttime. That's when I'm alive. I come alive in the nighttime. Morning time, I am not alive, y'all. I don't have a lot of energy. Ooh, so here's some gelato place. Is it ever too early to have gelato or ice cream in the morning? I don't think so. So last night we had an early night. We were so tired from hiking all morning. And then we just had dinner and then went back to the hotel and just kind of chill and went to sleep. So I had a very chill Saturday, which is always nice. We didn't really do much. Y'all, it was popping. Like Asheville was popping on a Saturday, surprisingly. I didn't think it was gonna be that packed, but it was popping. It was so packed. But it's pretty cool. I see why it's packed. So I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but we were at the art district. So Asheville is like a very dog-friendly place. So you guys have like dogs and whatnot. This is like a pretty cool place to bring your dogs. Literally everywhere we went last night, they all had like dogs with them. Maybe not all, but you know what I mean, majority of them. So yeah, like we're like in downtown Asheville, and literally there's like people are bringing their dogs with them, and the area, like the restaurants, stuff like that, were pretty cool about it. So it's a very dog friendly place. So I highly suggest if you guys are looking for like a dog friendly area to take your dogs onto like a mini vacation, Asheville is a good place to check out. Yeah, I'm out of breath already. Shit, it's hard walking and talking at the same time. It's like a workout. So yeah, so if you guys want to do a little outdoorsy stuff, walk, ride your bikes, take your dog on a ride or whatever, the art district in Asheville is pretty cool. It's pretty nice, and the scenery is pretty nice. It's like little mini shops, and little stores or whatnot. Yeah. I also feel like Asheville is like a kid-friendly, family-oriented place as well. That's what I've observed being here for this weekend. A lot of good outdoorsy place. So if you guys want like hike and stuff like that, this is also a good place. I highly recommend to come here to do a lot of outdoorsy stuff. And yeah, what else? It's a good. I don't know if that was a bug that flew on my lip. Oh my god, it was. And it died on my lips, yo. Sorry, I'm looking angry. It's just how I always look. It's just so sunny, and honestly, this shade is not really helping. But, oh, actually, it is helping a little bit because I'm not like squinting, even though I am a little bit, but whatever. So, the river art place. Oh, it's hot. The sun is out. Nice weather, nice weather. So this is the art district, right? Art studio. I don't know where the front or the back, but
It's under construction.
it's under, yeah. And this place, I see a lot of potential. They're gonna build a lot of cool little mini shops and stuff. Right? Don't you think this place has a lot of like potential?
Yeah.
So they build like different mini stores and shops. Alright, yeah, so we stopped by this cafe shop. I think it's called Ultra. Was it Ultra?
Wedge.
Something, is it Ultra Cafe?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ultra Coffee Bar. And guess what I got? Water! Cause you gotta stay hydrated.
She got the ultra water.
You gotta stay hydrated, y'all, cause it's hot out here in this district. But anyway, so this art district is a really good place to take pictures if you guys are into that like artsy kind of vintage kind of what's the word I'm looking for?
Aesthetic.
Yeah, like aesthetic, but like rustic. Yeah, rustic is the word I'm looking for. Rustic kind of vibe is a good place because so many different little areas that you can take pretty cool rustic pictures, or even like record or whatever. Yeah, so that'd be kind of cool place if you guys here for some content, some pictures with a cool rustic aesthetic vibes. We are here at Grove Park. It has like little mini stores and shops and offices.
Young
fly thing, she knows this. Phone filled with videos and poses. Don't need a compliment, just notice. Been trying to get them all in focus. See the line, trying to find where your heart's at. Oh, honestly, please don't mind, let me hold that. Oh, don't need no hoes, I just need you. Window to soul, my eyes see through. My lows, they go when you're right here. Apart, it feels just like light years. Spend the night, I just...
So this is the churro flavor beignets, and then this is the classic with the powder. So this is the powdered one.
They're from New York. They don't have caramel.
Thank you.
All right, let's bring it out to them before it's not hot anymore, and then they don't get to eat.
Maybe some more powdered sugar. Oh, no, Mom.
She was churro. She was like, it's already heavily salt, like seasoned. I'm like, okay, it's at the bottom.
What is that liquid sauce?
She said it's honey.
Oh.
And then I think it's cinnamon.
Alright, yeah, so we're here at the outlet store, and this outlet store is across from our hotel. Alright, so we're walking around downtown Asheville, and this is what it looks like during the daytime. It's pretty neat. Very nice. There's a lot of people here, but it's a nice Sunday, so it's a perfect time to walk around and be around town.
Come on, play it for me.
Did you use
Dance for me.
Yeah.
For 6 years?
Union is in her boutique. Oh, that's a cute dress. Oh, that is. Yeah, I didn't find a dress for a wedding that I'm going to in March. Nice vibes, nice vibes. So this is where we're going for lunch. Dim sum and tapas. Alright, so this is string beans, fried scallion pancake, din noodles, and chow fun. So we got guava and this pork. Look at that, look at that. Pork bun and chicken feet. Do lime. And what is that? Szechuan?
Szechuan.
Yum. Trying out the soup dumpling.
And fried buns? That's everything for right now. Anything you need? All good? You don't need a refill?
Yeah. Refill anyone? You want another one?
What is hot?
Huh?
Hot though.
Selling me Nirvana wanna make me slip. I know, keep my grip for sure. I can't lose control. You've been trying to set me up, talking like you love me and etc. Givenchy, Dolce and Gabbana. That's all you want, that's all you wanna do. I won't be the one to play.
Chocolate fetish.
Different world, different cases, different places, different faces that I've seen. Out of all the places that I've been, nothing tops the Medellin before the world became a meme. Before we were a thing, we used to fantasize about our biggest dreams. light, paramedics hit the scene. Just another casualty. I know you draws in for someone that